Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add your picture on Zoom. To add your picture, which is a profile photo on Zoom, these are the steps that you need to take. Open the Zoom desktop app, which I've done right here, and sign into your account if prompted. On the home screen, go ahead and click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the settings window, you will see a couple of options in the left navigation menu. You have general, video, audio, share screen, team chat, Zoom apps, background effects, recording, profile statistics, keyboard shortcuts, and accessibility. Click on profile. Now this will display your Zoom profile information, which we have in here. The next thing that you need to do under the profile section is to click on the profile picture. So you see an option for your current profile picture or an empty avatar. That's if you haven't uploaded one yet. Then click on the edit button that is just right on top of the profile picture. That's the pencil icon. Click on it. And once you click on that, a new window will pop up allowing you to upload the photo. Now click on change picture. Now, once you click on change picture, you're going to see a couple of pictures that you can now add as your Zoom picture. Let's say this is it, and I'm just going to click on open. And once you click on open, that's it. Your Zoom picture has been added to Zoom. Now, make sure the image is clear and appropriately sized for Zoom. Ideally a square image. Now, you may be able to crop or adjust the photo slightly if needed, and you can also drag to adjust the position. Now, after selecting and adjusting your photo, go ahead and click on the Save button to set the new picture as your Zoom profile image. That's it. So after saving, your profile picture should now appear in the profile section under the settings menu and in your Zoom meeting. This is it. When you join a Zoom meeting, your profile picture will be shown instead of your video feed. That's if you have your video turned off. You can also change your profile picture to the Zoom web portal. How do you do that? Just go to zoom.us and sign in to your account. After logging in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select My Profile. Under the profile picture section, click Change to upload a new picture from your computer. By following the steps, you will have successfully added or changed your profile picture on Zoom. Now, this picture will be visible during meetings when your video is off. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.